Hello again. Whoopsies. I forgot something. If you tried to do your homework, which hopefully you did, different books simplify differently. So I left the answers in this format, and the book actually condenses them to be a single logarithm. So I got to show you just real quick how to simplify these answers a little bit further so that they look the same way they look in the answers in the back of the book, and possibly on a multiple choice question on the AP exam. So to warm you up to it, here's a question from Algebra 2. Condense to a single logarithm. So if you remember, any coefficients out in front, and you've seen this throughout the year, coefficients out in front turn into exponents. So this could be rewritten as an x cubed. So it's the natural log of x cubed. This would be the natural log of y squared, okay? And this would be, move this up front, 1/2, natural log of z to the 1/2 power, but the 1/2 power is the same as a square root. So natural log of square root of z, okay? I still haven't written it as a single logarithm. The next thing is, because logarithms are basically exponents written another way, you can rewrite addition using multiplication, and you can rewrite subtraction using division. So anything that's positive ends up in the numerator. This guy will also be in the numerator because of this plus. Anything that's negative ends up in the denominator. So this negative right here made this y squared move to the bottom. That's how you condense it as a single logarithm. Okay, so go back to the first problem I did. So sorry I left it like this. This is a possible answer on a multiple choice test, but in the back of your book they went further. Okay, so take this answer back from problem 1, move the exponents up, that'll make this a cube, move this up, making that a square. All right, now this is addition in between, so this could be rewritten as the natural log of x minus 3 cubed times x plus 1 squared, and then plus c. They could also write it with one absolute value. Okay, so because it's addition, you can condense using multiplication. All right, let me show you number 2. Same, that one's just a tiny bit more difficult. Number 2 looked like this. Okay, find your notes from problem number 2. It was this question. Okay, and I rewrote, we found the answer to be this. All right, for this one, what you're going to do is first notice they both have fourths in the denominator. So I want you to factor out a 1/4 from each of these terms, and you're going to just leave the plus c at the end. So I have a 1/4, and then 9 natural log of x plus 3, minus 5, taking a fourth out of this one, minus 5 natural log of x minus 1. And then big fat plus c. Now condense this stuff in the middle the same way we did the last problem, and just bring the 1/4 down. So the coefficient, the 9, turns into an exponent. The 5 turns into an exponent. Okay, so I have 1/4. The natural log of x plus 3 to the 9th will be on the top because it's positive. Minus means this guy goes to the denominator. X minus 1 to the 5th goes in the denominator, and plus c at the end. So your book simplifies it like this, and on the AP exam, I don't know if it'll be this way or this way. You just got to know to look for both of them. So sorry about it being 2 videos. Hope you're doing well. See you on the next one. Say goodbye to Eeyore. Nope, he's on my lap, and he doesn't want to talk to you. Bye, guys.